Co-assessed Qaid-e-Awam Engineering University College of Science and Technology Larkano. Co-assessed Larkano. In order to provide engineering and technological education facility near the doorsteps of the people of interior Sindh, a scheme entitled Establishment of Engineering College Larkana was approved. To cater the needs of upper region of Sindh accordingly, a constitute College of Qaid-e-Awam University of Engineering, Science and Technology was established, named Qaid-e-Awam University College of Engineering, Science and Technology Larkana. The President of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, Honorable Asif Ali Zardari, lays the foundation stone of Qaid-e-Awam University College of Engineering, Science and Technology Larkano.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qaid-e-Awam University College of Engineering, Science and Technology Larkano जी शुरुआत जेका है वह तकरीबन 2 साल अॻु में थी। 2010 में असां पहिरीं बैच असां इंट्रोड्यूस कईसीं, इंडक्ट कईसीं। Presently we are having 2 batches, batch 10 and batch 11. Batch 12 is to be inducted very soon. From January 2 they are going to start their classes, making a program to welcome them. We are going to celebrate that day even to welcome our newcomers, new students, so that they should feel that they are our own, just like our sons, just like our daughters. They should feel that as they are at their home. We will welcome them, and inshallah we shall take full care of them, and we shall provide them very good facilities. We will train them, we will give them very good facilities. We shall try our best.
Initially, engineering college established in the government home economics college Larkana. The buildings are acquired from the government of Sindh Education and Literacy Department. These buildings provide adequate space to establish administrative infrastructure, classrooms, and the required laboratories to conduct the classes.
In order to provide the quality of education in engineering, the government of Sindh has established engineering college in Larkana, namely the Qaid-e-Awam University College of Engineering, Sciences and Technology. The aim and object of this college is to provide the quality of education in the field of electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering and electronics engineering.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to 2012 batch. Our accounts branch facilitate to financial matters of younger student of ECA, which our staff is dedicated, hard worker, try to best easy way solve the matter of the ECL staff, employees, teachers of student of ECL.
Management is like an investment. Its goal is to get the most of resources, add the most value, or get the best return.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My very dear students of 1-2 batch, you are very warmly welcome in this elite institution of the country. This is the alma mater where you shall find very fully facilitated institution with all the engineering equipments. This is your assistant registrar, and he shall be helping you for your various administrative matters, especially with the issues of your admission, with the issues of your enrollments and other various issues, and he is assisted with the very young and very good qualified and skilled administrative staff. They are very cooperative and they shall be fully helping you in your various matters that you shall be facing.
To provide quality and state-of-art education to the students in the prescribed area of engineering, science and technology, in order to make them outstanding professionals and better human beings.
As far as the education standard is concerned, this college is providing the education at par with the other universities of the country as well as engineering education is concerned.
Presently, there are 4 degree courses offered in Larkana campus in the following disciplines. They are civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, electronic engineering.
असां वटि 4 कन्वेंशनल टेक्नोलॉजीज़ पढ़ायूं वञनि थियूं पियूं, सिविल, engineering, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, and electronics engineering.
Civil engineering is one of the oldest fields of engineering. It is out of designing the infrastructure of the society, such as homes, roads, airports, builds, river controls, canals, railways, etc. Civil engineering can be found in all areas from small private organizations to multinational companies, which lead the civil engineering to wide-ranging and ever-demanding discipline.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, welcome all the new entrants of 1-2 batch at our institute. At Civil Engineering Department, we have at present total 5 faculty members, including me. Out of them, 4 are masters and 1 is bachelors in Civil Engineering Department. We have at present 4 laboratories, 3 of them are dedicated and 1 is shared. These include laboratories of fluid mechanics and hydraulics, laboratory of structural engineering, laboratory of material testing, and also laboratory of computer. We are intending to include 3 more labs, which are laboratory of transportation engineering, laboratory of soil mechanics, and laboratory of public health engineering in near future. We are getting tremendous support from our administration side as well, and we hope that the new entrants during their stay at our college will not only get sufficient knowledge but also will enjoy their academic stay here, and they will also be not only getting enough education for their academic side but also they will find opportunities like for extracurricular activities. So once again I welcome the new entrants, especially in civil engineering. They will also find when they graduate from our institute, I also guarantee that the entrants of civil engineering will find jobs more rapidly than any other discipline.
The information and technology revolution has been built in large part on the advances of electrical field. Electrical engineering stands at a time of extraordinary opportunity as it rises to meet the changing information, communication, transportation, energy, medical and environmental needs of society.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. On behalf of my department, from my all teachers, I welcome the new batch students, especially to electrical engineering, and I congratulate you all electrical students that you are going to enter in a very best department of today's market. And electrical energy is majorly concerned with generation of power, transmission of power, distribution of electric power and utilization of electric power. And in these days there is so much prosperous future for electrical engineers, especially in the power generation. As you may know also that electrical generating units through private sector are being built in Pakistan. So this is very best field.
Mechanical engineering is one of the prime disciplines of engineering. Mechanical engineering plays a vital role in the industrial development of a country. Its application is found in the small, medium to large scale industries and the most sophisticated industrial sector. Mechanical engineering discipline covers design, fabrication, operation and maintenance of all types of machinery and equipment found in the industries. It provides system for mechanical power and material processing.
I welcome all the students of mechanical engineering and as being chairman of the department. Mechanical engineering, you can say, is engineering of the machines. Students in this field learn about mechanisms, fabrications and also about the maintenance of all kinds of the machinery. You can see around you the different types of the machineries being used frequently in our daily life. Common examples you can see that there are different types of the automobiles being used in our daily routine life. We are using them, plus the refrigerators, air conditioning systems we are using in our daily life as well. Now coming in, keeping in view in our college, as you know that our college is newly established college. In short time or the minimum time of 2 years, we have done a lot. We have fully equipped workshops. Now in workshop the practices are very much common. The wear and tear and the maintenance of the machines and the machine components as well. From the minimum component, machine component, for example nut and bolts, to the complex mechanisms of the machines are being assembled there, are being manufactured there, their installation as well, how to control them, all of these things are handled in the workshop.
In present era, electronic gadgets, devices and systems are so interwoven in socio-economic fabric of nation that it is difficult to survive without having adequate human resources trained in the field of electronic engineering. Today, even other disciplines of engineering are considered incomplete without the integration of relevant electronic system and devices. The widespread application of electronic system and devices constitute the catalyst for system socio-economic development. The QSS Larkana has a very wide and fully equipped workshops of welding, woodwork, forging and electricity, etc. with modern equipments to support the students a practical work of its own. To build up confidence, broaden the horizon of thinking and develop eloquence in public speaking during the tutorial periods, the college has a well-planned scheme of arranging co-curricular activities.
असां वटि बेहतरीन क़िस्म जूं लेबोरेटरीज़ आहिनि जिन में फ़नी सिख्या जेका आहे उहा असां पंहिंजे शागिर्दनि खे मुहैया कंदा आहियूं. बेहतरीन टीचर्स ऐं एडिशनल जेको स्टाफ आहे हर वक़्तु शागिर्दनि खे वेलकम था कयूं पिया.
It is first time in libraries of interiors of Sindh that QSS Larkano has acquired an integrated 3M library system to detect the unissued books on the computer. The central library has in stock more than 8 to 9,000 book titles and about 6,000 total books related to engineering, science and technology.
हींअर असां तक़रीबन 8,000 किताब असां वटि मौजूदु आहिनि ऐं तक़रीबन जेके बि सेमेस्टर असांजा अपकमिंग सेमेस्टर आहिनि उन्हनि जे लाइ असां किताबनि जी ख़रीदारी कंदा वञूं था पिया.
The college has a separate boarding hostels for boys and girls. For boys, it is at PTS Larkano and for girls in CMC College Larkano.
On behalf of Welfare Section, I welcome you all at ECL Larkana. As a student welfare officer, I will try to solve your problems, your all matters which you will face here. And regarding your hostel, I am very sorry to share because we have already mentioned that thing in our prospectus that we don't have hostel facility at this stage. Our one hostel is under construction near PTS. So inshallah after completion of that hostel, we will accommodate you in that hostel.
The University College provides ample facilities to the students for participation in games and sports, both indoor and outdoor. The in-house sports competitions, particularly inter-departmental tournaments, inter-hostel competitions are held timely at the campus.
जीअं त स्पोर्ट्स सेक्शन जे हवाले सां असांजे कॉलेज में जेके एक्टिविटीज़ थींदियूं आहिनि उन में असां वटि क्रिकेट बैच वाइज़ असां क्रिकेट टूर्नामेंट्स करायूं बि आहिनि. इंशाल्लाह आईंदा इहे थींदियूं बि रहंदियूं ऐं उन्हनि खां अलावा बैडमिंटन आहे, टेबल टेनिस, एम.ए. खोड़ो कॉम्प्लेक्स में असां हाणे इवनिंग टाइम में असांजे स्टूडेंट्स उते प्रैक्टिस कंदा आहिनि. ऐं उन्हनि जी असां टाइम वाइज़ असां पंहिंजे टूर्नामेंट्स कराईंदा आहियूं ऐं उन्हनि खां अलावा असांजा इंटर ज़ोन जे हिसाब सां यूनिवर्सिटीज़ जा कॉम्पिटिशन थींदा आहिनि स्टूडेंट्स जा, उन में बि पार्टिसिपेट कराईंदा आहियूं.
About 350 acres of land has been acquired to establish permanent infrastructure of the college, and that will be initiated as soon as all required resources are made available.
So basically, this college is a very in a smaller scale. Now we have got our future plan is to have 350 acres of land, which is situated in Arija, and inshallah in 2 or 3 years our future plan will be to get our main campus shifted from this college, this campus to the Arija campus. There may be 35 departments.
Produce professional graduates to cater the requirements of the market for socio-economic development of the country, so that they become capable of contributing effectively and amicably towards national development, creativity, proficiency and quality, based on national as well as international standards and professional integration.